I've got to tell you, more than a few emotions going through. It's bought from an auction, so it's as is. You get what you get. You've just got the photos and the condition report that's written down. So yeah, there's more than a few emotions going through as to, you know, is it a lemon? What's it going to cost to fix if it needs something to be fixed? So yeah, this is not something for the faint-hearted. Very excited and really hoping for a good car that's not going to have huge issues. But we will see. So we're on our way down now, and we'll be there in 8 minutes. Okay, here it is, first look. You've got to pay for it in full. Once you've bought it, you've got to pay for it in full before you come out to go and have a look. You can't change your mind. You can inspect it beforehand, but here it is. So we wander up and have a look around, but she's bought at this point. Here I'm noticing the nice big scratch on the front. In front of the headlight. I'm working on that at the moment. Haven't quite got that one down, but having a look around and pretty happy. First inspections. It sounds good, looks good. Hey, it drove. They were able to drive it up, and I just had a quick look around the car, and as you can see, she's really pretty clean. Looking the part, and yeah, pretty happy. But I mean, you can't really tell at this point. It's like what it's going to cost to roadworthy is really the thing that matters. And yeah. Having a bit of a look down the side here, you'll see it's nice and straight. If you're looking down that panel, see there's good straight lines down there. So yeah, at this point it's like, let's go, let's drive it home, let's have a better look and see what's going on. And yeah, as it turned out, the main thing with this, of course, was oil. Every point an engine could leak oil, this engine did leak oil. But anyway, more on that once we get into it and start to have a look at it. Here we closed the bonnet down and actually drove it. We're about an hour and a half away from the auction place. That's a big part of the reason why it wasn't sight unseen. You really don't know which one you're going to end up with. But here it was, and now she's ours.